Good afternoon. Have a seat, please.
Thank you, sir.
Please give your CV.
Sir.
Thank you.
Sir, yes, please.
So, Anshul Garg,
Yes, sir.
how was your day?
Sir, nice.
So, please tell us about yourself in 1 minute.
So, I am basically from Suratgarh. I have recently completed my CMA final with BCom from Rajasthan University, as I have also recently completed my internship. Firstly, I have done internship in MS Gupta and Store. Then I have joined the firm CMA Sharma company, where I have got the exposure about the indirect taxation and cost audit. I have done the cost audit of Vaishnav Vyas, and in taxation I have filed the returns, ITRs of the individuals. As I go for the extracurricular, I take the seminars in the defense about government e-marketplace, and my key strengths are I am man of my words, and I am a faithful person. Thank you.
Why did you did your CMA?
Yes, sir.
Why did you did your CMA?
Okay, sir. Firstly, I go to, and I'll tell you the truth that I have visited to the Dhruv coaching classes to do the CA, but there I have counseled with the Punis sir, and then he given me the advantages, like you can complete the CMA in very short period of time, and he counseled me normally, so that's why I have done this.
CMA is short, easy.
Not easy, I am saying, sir. Like time duration is lower. Like we have to do, like we do CA, then it is takes around 5 or 6 years. But as compared to CMA, we do it in 3 years only.
Okay, Anshul, telling about your internship work experience, assistant management of financial records.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the financial records?
Sir, mainly financial records are the records which tell the true and fair view of the business enterprises, like how the firm is performing, how the firm is working, or this is the financial statement.
Okay. In financial statement, one statement is trading profit and loss account.
Yes, sir.
And second one is the balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
So closing stock is written down in the trading account and as well as in the balance sheet.
Balance sheet, yes, sir.
So trading closing stock is one item written
Yes,
in the two statement.
Yes,
Why
sir.
so?
Sir, like closing stock is not important to write in P&L, because we can directly do the purchase, like opening stock plus purchases less closing stock, like net value.
Okay.
But in balance sheet we have to write because it's our asset
Okay.
in financial records, so that's why we write.
Okay. There is two concepts. One is the cash basis. Second one is the accrual basis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one is better?
Sir, as the accounting point of view, accrual basis is a nice one, because in accrual basis we work on the particular financial year. Like we have to record entry in particular financial year. We record the expense in current financial year. We record our profits of current financial year. So it's.
What are the capital nature transactions?
So capital nature transaction, like purchase of fixed assets,
Okay.
purchase of machinery is a capital nature expenditure, which gives the benefit in long term basis.
Suppose I have paid rupees 5,000 for
Yes.
formation of company.
Okay, sir.
What kind of expenditure it is?
So it is a preliminary expenses which we have to recognize in our asset side.
This is the capital nature or revenue nature?
Sir, we can see that we have to. It's capital nature, because we have to like amortize it in 5 years. So
Why so 5 years?
Yes.
Is there any legal limit on preliminary expenses for 5 years?
yes, a provision is there that you should amortize your preliminary expenses in 5 years.
In which act or which
Companies Act.
companies? Are you sure?
Sir, maybe not sure, sir.
How much political contribution a company can make?
Ma'am, there is no limit on political contribution.
So any amount of, because it is the shareholders contribute to the company for the purpose of business. So company can do any amount to the political party or for the political purpose. Do you think like?
Ma'am, there is a percentage limit is there, but I can't recognize.
You are not able to
Yeah.
recognize.
Financial record and financial statement, is it same or different?
Financial statement comes the balance sheet. Financial records comes the P&L also.
What all things are included in financial statement?
Financial statement, balance sheet,
Balance sheet.
or financial statements. Yeah, profit and loss also comes in
There
the.
are 5 things.
Yes, sir.
Tell me all 5. One is balance sheet, another is
Profit and loss account. Third, cash balance, cash account,
cash flow statement.
cash flow statement. Fourth is trial balance,
No,
ledgers.
no. I have purposefully not asked you the section number, or else you would not have attempted also.
What is compulsory GST audit?
Compulsory GST audit. Ma'am, firstly it is 2 crore turnover is there, then you have to compulsory take the GST audit, but now the limit has been removed.
Then what is the present provision now?
Now present provision is that you have to do self-attested form you have to fill, and
What is the limit of the turnover
in which, ma'am?
for GST audit?
2 crore, ma'am.
2 crore. Sure.
Yes, ma'am. GST audit is not compulsory now, but we have to file a self-attested form.
Then what you are telling the limit of 2 crore? Then what it is?
It is initially the limit is there.
What is now? What is the limit at present? What is the current provision?
Current provision also, ma'am, this 2 crore, ma'am. Now also 2 crore is
Are
there.
you sure? Earlier also 2 crore, now it is 2 crore.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What is ROI?
Return on investment. So, basically, we know that the what we got from the investing in capital.
Okay. What it means investing capital?
So,
In ROI,
Hmm?
which capital is considered?
Shareholder long-term debt and mainly shareholder fund and long-term debts.
Okay. What is the difference between non-discounted cash flow techniques and discounted cash flow techniques?
Sir, in non-discounted cash flow techniques, we did not consider the present value, like present value factor, but in discounted we follow the
Present value factor or time value of money?
Yeah, time value of money.
Time value of money. Okay. What is IRR?
Internal rate of return,
What is ARR?
average rate of return.
What is payback period?
Payback period is the time limit when we recover our outflows of the project.
Okay. So it is lower better or higher the better?
Lower the better.
What is payback reciprocal?
Sorry.
Okay.
What is the thing you loved about yourself the most?
Ma'am, I love myself like my truthfulness. I love it very much.
How do you handle your stress?
Ma'am, by listening musics.
What is P ratio?
PV ratio,
PE ratio.
PE ratio, market upon earning, market divided by earning means like how much we have to spend to earn a particular amount. Like 1 rupee we spend, so how many we will earn.
Okay. So P ratio is equals to 5 times. What it means?
Like if I spent P ratio equals to
5 times.
5 times. Like sir, if we say for I spent 10 rupees and I earned 2 rupees. I spent 10 rupees and earned 2 rupees.
Why do you spend 10 rupees?
Hmm.
You have to spend 5 rupees and earn rupee 1.
Sir, yes sir.
Right?
Spend 5 and earn rupee 1.
Which
Yes,
standard did you comply in doing inventory management?
Yes sir.
Which standards or law or provisions you complied in doing inventory management?
So here my inventory management is that I have done the valuation, like I have gone to visited to the stock area, and I
Have you complied any standard or rule or law or something like that?
sir, I have implemented in like AS2,
AS2.
inventory
Do
valuation.
you have any idea what is CARO?
Car, no, sir.
Is CARO applicable?
Sir, I don't know car.
What is the difference between face value and nominal value?
Sir, face value is the value of the share,
Okay.
and nominal value which is trading in the market.
So what is market price? You told that nominal value is the traded in the market rate.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what is market price? Actually, face value and nominal value both are same.
Yes, yes.
There is no difference between face value and nominal value.
Okay, Anshul.
Thank you.
Any question from the panel?
So, if I join your company, sir, there is any training period will be given to the employee?
Yes, there is a training period of 12 months. You will be management trainee at the initial stage. After that, the position will be assigned to you.
Do you want to allot any marks to the
Panel?
panel?
No, sir, I am not in that position to rate the panel.